Like, you need to have receipts for everything, don't you, baby? You gotta have receipts. But I wasn't even expecting this to happen.
Oh!
What you've done to me, I can't really explain it. I'm so into you.
What's going on, JJ Crew? It's the kid Jamuan. I'm back with a lit banger, man. Y'all read that title. Y'all seen that thumbnail. So y'all know when I'm behind this camera, there's some exclusive content going on, as I always say. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna be doing today, I took the time out my day to go give me a fake pregnancy test, as I should. Y'all remember back a while back when my girlfriend did that fake pregnancy test on me. I was super excited, thinking we gonna have a child. I guess not. But anyways, this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be hiding this positive pregnancy test in the glove compartment. Then I'm gonna ask her to reach in there and grab me something out of it so she can find out it's positive. It's positive, yeah. I've been sneaking and geeking. Not really, but it's just entertainment purpose. I won't sneak and geek on my girlfriend. I really love her. But anyways, other than that,
I'm about to get your girl, for sure.
Man, I'm not even gonna play the radio with her. I'm telling you. I'm gonna turn all the way up. It's gonna be a wild ride on this roller coaster. So before I even get into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and we gonna be lit forever. Y'all heard me? We gonna be lit forever. Hit that notification bell and make it go up. Run this video up too. Y'all already know what's going on. On the road to 2K subscribers. We almost 1,500 subscribers right now. So go ahead and push up. Go ahead and push up. You hear me? But anyways, I'm about to get right into the video. Quit all that talking. Peace. So we pop up, bring that bow. Hey.
Find some good hand some stuff on Shein.
For real? You shop on Shein?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
I was just gonna say that.
You want to go to Walmart or go to Target, baby? Which one you want to go to first?
Walmart, for real.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to go to Walmart.
What you got to get from there, though?
I'm finna get some concealer and stuff.
Okay. So we can head that way first. Then we'll go to the Target. Then we'll go, turn up Halloween weekend.
Yes, I can't wait.
For sure, man. I can't wait. We're gonna have some
So
fun.
cute.
We'll go to all the haunted houses. Go trick-or-treating, get some candy so it can last us throughout the week. You know you be liking that candy stuff. You got a sweet tooth. You got that sweet tooth. That's how you like it, though.
Why you really keeping on two costumes? They're so cute.
Hey, yo, finna pop out at the party. I'm with the gang. My ear itching, man. What do you mean when your ear itching? Nothing?
Nothing.
Just dirty?
Pretty much.
Trying to play me, baby?
No. Look at this jacket. It's cute. It's in style. I know you haven't seen it.
What is that
Trust
on
my
the
other
fair?
picture. Trust me.
That's a wolf fair on that motherfucker. Now that is hard though, no cap. So that what you think about getting though?
Yeah, I like it. And it's different. I ain't never seen it so.
Yeah, I like how it's kind of short, fitted and stuff like that. Giving sexy vibes. I like that. We'll pull that off. We, him, and her.
For sure.
Who they want to be.
Definitely.
How we do it. Where do you want to go after Walmart and Target?
Today we're going back home because we got to get ready.
Alright, so
Yep.
that's the end of the errands, right?
Nothing else.
Yeah.
Nothing else. I don't think I got nothing else. No. Yeah, I don't got nothing else.
Alright, so we can just chill, and then we're gonna turn up later on after that. Say less. Say no more.
Yeah.
Alright. There's gonna be a vibe going on tonight.
Sure is. I'm ready to let this get
Then we gotta snap up while the sun's still bright. You know. Still got light, still it's dark though.
Yeah, we gotta go and find a little place.
Right, good scenery. Yeah, for sure. You already know what's going on. I already know what's finna turn up, man. All weekend long. For sure.
Let's turn up all weekend.
What you doing on your phone, man?
I'm looking at this tutorial. This eyebrow tutorial.
About to do your eyebrows?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to see.
Oh, okay. That's for the costume. You gotta do all that. Dang, baby, you gotta do a lot of things to yours.
I know. I gotta do so much stuff, baby.
Right. Yeah, that is crazy. You gotta do all kind of makeup and stuff. But that's good, so you can go ahead and be familiar with the products and stuff, how to blend it in. Yeah.
Definitely.
Stuff like that, though. It just gives like a little practice, and you know, practice make improvements. So, if you don't do too good, you don't do too good, it's alright, you know. You know, it just take reps. Reps, man. You gotta keep doing it. They just go fall out the sky and then land in your hand like, oh yeah, I can do this with ease. Nah, it don't work like that. It don't work like that. You gotta go get it. And it's just like that. Nah. How Cora do would be. Thinking about the food later on too.
I thought about you was so far.
Right. For real, like, well, you cooked it on that cast iron skillet. I'm talking about you did like them people that watch you for real. I ain't even gonna cap you down on that one. That junk was fire, baby.
Thank you, man. It was really good. I loved it.
Sure, I'm telling you. Like, I can eat that junk every day if I want. Hey, you gonna pass me that mail under there in that glove department though?
Yeah, man.
That mail, I had went to the mailbox earlier, and I ain't checked the mail. I seen some mail with my name on it. I ain't really getting to it, so I want you to read it out for me.
You got so many freaking receipts in here, I can't see it.
You know, we keep the receipts. I bought you groceries before. We kept the receipts. You hear me? Nah, that's for real though. Like, you need to have receipts for everything, don't you, baby? You gotta have receipts for everything.
What's this? Nah, don't make that fucking face.
Where you find that at?
You gonna tell me to go in here and you know this in here? Like, what's this for?
What you mean? I ain't, bruh. I gotta tell you something, baby. I'm gonna be straightforward with you. It's just the fact.
Don't start lying.
Can I get my explanation out?
What do you mean by that?
Wow, you just gonna hit me like that? Oh man, this
I'm not finna be holding this. Who the fuck pregnancy tested that?
I meant to tell you this like ahead of time, but I guess I forgot.
Okay, you forgot what? Cause I'm already freaking thirsty.
It seemed to me that you didn't want to have a family, so I wanted to go try something new, like. But I wasn't even expecting this to happen.
Oh!
Baby, why you do that for? Now you
Try something new? What you mean try something new?
Bro, you got all this water over me.
What the fuck you mean try something new?
What you mean? You got people looking at me outside the car and everything.
I don't care. They can look all they want. They want to get hit with some water too. Like, nah, just take me back home because I'm not finna ride this car with you.
No.
You
This
gonna
is
end
not
up,
what.
no, I'm
No,
not
this
trying
is
to
not
have no
what's
wreck.
going
I'm gonna end
on.
up put my hands
This is
on you.
not
I
going
swear,
on.
like, take me back home right now.
Can you
Take
stop
me
doing
home.
that?
Take me
We
home.
driving.
I don't
We
care.
driving
I don't
though.
care. Take me back
Why
home.
you want to do all that
Nah,
though?
because I'm not finna be in a car.
We
You
driving.
got a
You trying to get us
pregnancy
killed?
test with somebody.
You trying to get
No,
us
I don't
killed
care.
though?
I don't care.
Alright,
Take me
then.
back home. I swear.
Nah, I'm finna take you to the place you want to go.
No, I don't want to go
And we
nowhere
gonna
with
come
you
right
no
back.
more. I swear.
And we gonna explain what you doing, bruh. We go explain this, bruh.
Explain what?
This situation going on when we get back
What can you explain
home.
about a freaking pregnancy test?
Bruh, come on,
What
stop
can
doing.
you
You
explain
doing the
about
most.
that? No, I'm
You
not
doing the
doing
most,
nothing.
bruh.
Take me back home.
No,
Take me
bruh.
home. I swear,
Because,
take me
like,
home. You lucky we
acting
driving.
like
Like we
this
going
is-
around these curves. I'm not trying to wreck or nothing.
Man, come on, you just act like this the first time though.
I don't care if the first time it's the first and final time. I'm done. No, I don't care.
People make mistakes.
I'm not finna be with you. You got a whole baby on the way. What I look like? No,
people make mistakes.
Do I got dummy right across my forehead? No, I'm not holding you down if you got a baby on the way.
You're a human being too. We make mistakes. That's what I'm trying to get you to understand though. But it's all good though. If you don't want to be with me, man, come on now.
No, I don't want to be with somebody who want to step outside and have a baby on me.
Stop.
No,
stop
do it look like I want to be with somebody like that? No.
Stop playing on me, bro.
You lucky we going around these curves. Like, come on, take me back home.
No, I'm not even finna do all that. You trying to get us killed, bro. I'm trying to drive this car safe and sound. Get us back to home in one piece, bro. And you tripping about a motherfucking positive pregnancy, man. Goddamn, man. Stress me out. I can't believe I don't got gray hair right now.
Man.
Like it just grow out of my head like a tree.
Just let me out right here. Let me out.
No, I'm not letting you out.
Yes, I'm not finna ride in the car with you. We're done. Like, it's nothing with us no more. You got somebody
is not done.
You think I'm finna fucking be with you? Hell no. Like, no. Go be with that bitch. Go be with her. I don't care. It's no explanation behind it.
That's what I be talking about. You don't never let me talk, bro.
And you had a baby. No, you ain't no reason to talk. You did all your talking with this. You did all your talking with this. You see, there's no talking.
Chill out. Bro, why you hit me with that though?
I don't care.
Why you want to get all physical?
I don't care.
That's crazy, bro. Like, for real, man.
Bro.
This life, bro, it's just really overwhelming. Like,
people just don't know. Car while it's driving.
Everybody, like, the people just don't know, like, what we go through this shit, bro. Like, man, it's just crazy, bro.
Predicament, so.
Seems like you didn't want to have children. That's why I put myself in the predicament, though.
We was gonna have children in the future.
In the future, but I wanted, you know, when I told you I wanted it now, I wanted it now.
Okay.
So it ain't no end. About
Congratulations on it. Congratulations on it.
I'm not even really congratulating on it because
I'm not in the picture. I'm done.
It wasn't
okay, come on.
It wasn't even supposed to be like that though.
Take me back home.
It ain't supposed to be like that.
You finna get all your stuff out the house and you finna go move in with your family. Yes.
My family. My family is you.
No, I'm not your family no more.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Okay, whatever.
Dang, bro. Like, come on now.
Can you just take me back home?
I know at 80 degrees I look hot, but you ain't had to pour all that water on me though.
I don't care. You finna get the whole bottle.
Bro, chill out, bro. I don't got time to be playing like that.
I don't care.
I only got time to be playing like that for real, bro. For real, like, you always be playing, man. You always be playing. Like, come on now. You want some food? I'll give you some food.
Do it look like I want some food. Do it look like
Baby, I'm swerving. What are you doing?
Stop saying stupid stuff to me. Like, I'm thirsty. I'm not trying to pull my whole, bro.
Bro, why you want to just put the water in your mouth instead of on me? That's crazy thing about it. Man, oh my goodness,
Don't
bro.
worry
Like,
about
this thing is going crazy now, man. Like, I should have been told.
Take me back home.
If I would have told you this up front, if I would have told you up front, you wouldn't have been mad.
I don't even want to look
But it had slipped my mind, but come on now, we made mistakes. That's all I don't got to say.
I'm not finna dress up with you. None of that. It's no point in me going here no more. Like,
man,
I'm not finna dress up with you. No.
We finna still do the Halloween stuff.
No,
we finna pop out.
No, we not.
We finna pop out. I don't care what you talking about.
Okay, that's what you think.
No, that's what I know.
Nah, boy, I'm not with you.
Yes, you are.
What the fuck I look like?
Man, you look like a beautiful young woman. Oh my fucking goodness. You're like,
Go.
man, look. It's green light, and I'm all covered in water. Cause I can't see nothing in my eyes. You really want us to die? Oh, okay. I'm gonna just die then. You don't want to be here no more. I don't want to be here no more then. It's just like that. Simple as that.
No, you got your whole child to look for now. You can't just end your life. You got a family.
Nah, man.
Well, I'm not even gonna play with you. Like,
good on that.
I'm so freaking pissed off right now. Like, my whole mood.
Why you so pissed off on, baby? Why you so pissed off on?
Because you irritate me. Like, the stuff you do, the decisions you make, it just irritating. Like, you know what you did, and you think I'm still gonna be with you?
Man,
what do I
crazy,
look like? Like, what do I look like? Let me, hold on.
What do you look like? I just told you what you look like.
I don't got
I just told you what you look like, though.
Stupid, nowhere on my face. So why? Why?
Alright, okay.
Yeah, take me back home.
Okay, I'm gonna take you back home.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna take you back. But why is you mad though? Why
mad? Why else would I be mad? I'm not gonna keep
listen to what the words come out of my mouth. Why is you mad? These people can't drive, man. That's crazy. Bro, we here now. We here now.
Okay.
We at our destination.
What that mean? I'm not finna go.
We gonna talk to him when we come back from here.
No.
Come on,
I'm
man.
finna go. I'm going. I don't care.
I know something. She actually got out the car. She mad for real. So, I really pulled this one off for real. But, I'm gonna go get her. She is tripped out. She tripped out. Where you going, baby? You going, it's a prank, baby. You waiting on your lift? Oh, you grab my card and you finna pay for your lift. That's crazy.
$23.
Baby, it's a
It's
prank.
already on the way. It's gonna a prank.
Why you want lift for?
Because get the camera on my face.
Baby, it's just a prank, so why you doing all that? I got you good, didn't I? That's good. My job don't slap me. You put all this water on me.
I don't care. Move. Now come on, let's go.
Y'all know what's going on when we on this camera. It's a lit situation going on, man.
Bro, I'm finna come back so hard on him because, ooh, okay, I got something for him.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we gonna get back with y'all. Peace.
Like